in action. We're back in the action, boys. Now, real quick, right off the bat, bro, I gotta tell y'all, 8 videos in a row now, you guys have actually reversed the demonetization system on my channel. For a long time now, I've been demonetized. After that, they don't share my videos to a lot of you guys, and nobody else sees it through the recommended stuff, which means the channel doesn't grow, and I don't get my bag. Which, I mean, let's get real, we all want the bag. But lately, like I said, 8 videos in a row, we got the bag, bro. We've also gotten back to our kind of regular views. So if we could do 9 in a row, that would be awesome. All you have to do is thumbs up and spam comments down below on this video. To put the icing on the cake to anything that I unbox in this video, if we can get 2,500 thumbs up within the day, which isn't hard, you guys just have done it a lot of times, I'll give away what I'm about to unbox. So there we go. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy lately with how the channel's been going, and you guys seem to be really happy too. So I'm stoked. It is weird, man. I guess through the way I've been really enjoying YouTube lately and not, out of my slump of things not getting shared, I think you guys have really caught on to that, and I think it's more enjoyable for all of us, really. So thank you. But let's get into this, bro. Gloves are coming off today, man. I never thought that I'd actually have some sort of drama video within jewelry of what I review on YouTube, but it's happening because some company made a dumbass claim. Somebody's gonna look dumb in this video. Either it's me and I'll own up to it completely, or it's this company that we're about to put on blast. And I feel real comfortable with putting them on blast because I think what they're claiming to people of the product that they're selling is absolutely ridiculous and actually just gross. But because this is drama oriented, which I'm really not into, I actually hate people that love drama, but this is like some tasty stuff, bro. I don't like people lying to my boys, and we actually have proof they've been lying to my boys because the reason I found out about these guys is from a dude that hit me up on Instagram DMs. Can't remember your name right now, bro, but I will put a screenshot with your name on it. So go send him love for the great video idea. The dude's an absolute gem for that. Thank you, man, once again. Also, go check out my Instagram too if you guys want to. It's right here. I really do try to reply back to you guys. But anyway, this guy hit me up and he said, help the boys out. This jewelry does not tarnish and passes a diamond tester according to the post that I guess the company makes. He said, I think you should review it. Thanks, I'm just trying to help the boys. Appreciate you, dude. So pretty much what he's saying is this company is selling jewelry that apparently doesn't tarnish, which is kind of weird because what they're actually advertising this company is they're selling silver that does tarnish, so I don't really get that. And then he says it'll pass any diamond tester according to them. Huge claim, bro. I think if there was a product like that out there right now, which is why I'm so skeptical, it would absolutely destroy the industry. It'd be nuts. Like, I know when I've gone in and gotten my diamonds professionally tested by people, what they do is take out a diamond tester and they say, yo, it's real. Unless you want to go to some lab or something like that and take like days or whatever for them to really inspect it. I think that's the way to go. Anyway, this company claims their jewelry they sell with fake diamonds in it will pass diamond testers. And then I replied, yo, you have a screenshot of them saying it'll pass the diamond test. If you can find that for a vid, I'll do it. Because I'm into it, bro. I think these guys are lying. So then he sent me this screenshot. This is from the company's page. And as you guys could see with the screenshot, somebody asked, actually a couple of people asked, will this show up as a real diamond? They say yes. They claim that it will pass a diamond tester. So here's where I come in, bro. I bought a package from these guys, and what I bought, well, I'll show you guys in a second, but one piece was $30, one piece was $75.99, and with that, what we're gonna do is first off, see if this is real silver, which I doubt they're lying about, because what their thing is they sell pieces that are real silver with fake diamonds, but we're really gonna test it with this $500 diamond tester I got off Amazon. Anyone can get it, and see if these guys are lying or not. As you guys know, I don't put anyone really on blast in videos except for Lil Tucker. I think that guy's kind of funny, but I just did that as a joke and he took it real personally. But I'm not really into putting people on blast until they make stupid claims that can actually affect people's bank. You know what I mean? I think a lot of people would probably buy this product thinking that it would pass any diamond tester. Now my thought is you're gonna look like an idiot if you go to one of your friends and be like, yo, diamond test it, bro, it's real, and it comes out fake. So I'm just doing this because I think it's kind of gross what they're doing. So the first thing, and this is the item I said, what was it? It was $27.99. This is a pendant I got from them. Once again, I guess what this is fake diamonds that will test as real and sterling silver. And then I also got this tennis chain right here, just a little mini one that also has diamonds and is sterling silver. So with all this, I paid about $100 for the product, and then I paid extra $50 for shipping because I tried to get it in real fast. But I mean, I'm willing to come off as an idiot on this video if what they are saying is true. And if what they are saying is true, this will pass my diamond tester. I want to invest in this company, and I'll hit them up right now with an apology and being like, yo, let me put a big chunk into this. Let's put you on freaking Shark's Tank and let's get some bank, bro, because I think that would absolutely destroy the industry if what they're saying is real. So first things first, man, the first thing we'll start with the pendant, the small one right here. What I'm looking for right now is a little marking of 925, and yeah, it does have it. So I will give them the absolute benefit of the doubt. Silver's not that expensive, so I will say this is most likely probably 99.9% real silver. Doubt they're lying on that. They've got the proper stamp on it. So first off, man, I mean, for a silver chain, like I say, silver's not that expensive. I don't think their price point's massively wild. I think it's actually pretty good. 925 once again. So without their stupid claim of this is gonna pass a diamond tester, once again, I could be wrong, this is actually a good piece. Like paying $75.99 or whatever I said for this, it's not bad. It's real silver, fake diamond. It's gonna make you look fly. If you want to rock the fake diamonds, that's up to you. So I will give them that. The price is dope, but the thing that's got me all bugged out is this claim. So let's get into it. Got this from Amazon for about 500 bucks. I'm just turning it on right now, and if it's out of battery, I'm pissed. It's out of battery. I have to charge it. Now, what I also will say, I'm just charging this up real quick. I had another thought. I think when this company probably made this claim of yes, it'll pass a diamond tester, I feel like, and I'm kind of going on their side with this one, I really want to think out all scenarios of why they'd be this dumb to claim this. I think they're probably thinking the average person would have a $20 crappy diamond tester from Amazon. We've got those before, and it's actually proven that that diamond tester will even tell you that fake things are real. They're not that good. It's not a practical diamond tester to use on anything to really know if it's a diamond or not, because it's so flawed. So I don't know if when they're making this claim, sorry, my diamond tester's charging my computer, that's why I'm pointing over there. I don't know if they made this claim thinking people are too dumb to take this to a store and try to test it, but what I pretty much have is a top quality diamond tester. I don't know if their claim meant to have that, but they're definitely misleading people. I do just want to put that out there. I don't want to put people on blast without really thinking about their situation and what they were really trying to mean. But I do think with their just yes of a claim, yes, it will pass it, they know what they're doing. They know it's a little sketchy, unless I'm wrong. Alright, so I think I've got this thing charged enough. What we're gonna do right now is take this diamond tester, I guess you hold it like that. If it goes green, it's a diamond. Just show you what it's supposed to look like if it is real. So that's what happens if it's a real diamond. We're gonna take this right now. Just please believe me that I'm doing this actually legit, because I do want to know. Honestly, I would love for this to actually be a thing and it will pass. That'd be insane. But, just gonna take it to the diamond right now. Let's go. So that is absolutely, okay, so red means I just hit metal there. If we go to the diamond, it's nothing. I'd hold it up to you guys, I'll try it, but I'm real shaky, bro. Try to give you guys a good view. And I'm being legit on this. Nothing's happening. That's metal. That's metal when I slip. That's metal when I slip. On the diamond, push it in, nothing's happening. False claim, absolutely ridiculous, like I thought. All right, so this is a fake watch I saw on my website, NameBranFam.com, that I don't claim will pass diamond test, but I will show you on a fake watch. Nothing happens. Then this, once again, green. So that's it, bro. Watch out for this company. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a bad thing. You are buying fake diamonds, so you should expect that it wouldn't pass a good diamond tester. Don't support them because of this claim, but the prices are pretty good. I will not lie on that. I will give them credit where it's due, but with a claim like that, bro, I kind of felt weird about it, man, because I know like I'm a little bit more, I guess, experienced with diamond buying, which I'm really not, but like more than, I guess, the average kid. And if I was a kid buying this, thinking that it was actually gonna pass a diamond tester and I actually went, I feel like I'd be embarrassed or just all around upset, sad that I wasted my money on that. With whatever, that it's gonna be real. Disappointing. So, appreciate you all for watching. Not gonna lie, I'm a little sad that it actually didn't come out real. I was really hoping to be wrong on this one, man, because I think that would be the craziest product if it actually came out real. So I wasn't hoping ill on this, but using your brain just a little bit, you could tell this was a little fishy. So, appreciate y'all for watching. Here for the boys, man. You guys, if you have any cool ideas that you want to see some stuff of, do what this guy did that hit me up and do the same. It would be awesome. It's so appreciated. I'll obviously shout you out for the idea. You guys rock, man. NameBran fans real strong. We're making the game the greatest of all time. We got another video out coming out tomorrow or the next day, depending on, just depending on life, really. I've got a lot of stuff going on, dude. Tons of girls in my DMs, none of that. I've got nothing, so it'll probably come out tomorrow. Appreciate y'all. Blah.